Okay, an app that's been out for a while on the iPad, but I only recently bought, and there's also a free version. It's called Game Table, and I kind of like it a lot, and I don't know why I didn't come across it before. So there's a free version of Game Table that's ad supported, and that was released on June 17th, 2012, and there's a paid version that's, I think, 99 cents for the iPad. And it's a very simple app, but it's very clever, and it's clever in this respect. Game Table basically gives you various board games. There's no artificial intelligence. It just gives you basic board games to use. So if you don't have a real board game, you can use it, and it has a lot of the sort of classic board games. So it has chess, it has poker, it has, what else? It has backgammon, it has Reversi, it has Go, and it has cards. So you could even play poker. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so this is what the icon looks like for Game Center, and it's very simple. When you launch it, it's very simple. You basically have these games. You've got whatever card game, like to play poker if you want, with chips. You got Reversi, you've got backgammon, you got chess, you got checkers. Now here's the thing: there's no artificial intelligence. You can't play against the iPad or against the computer. But it's a good way to sort of, you know, if you want to play a card game, you can play with other people. Now here's the card game one, and there's a little bit of an instruction. It tells you use one finger to move a piece around the table, use two fingers to move a stack, pinch objects to stack them, with two fingers slide a stack back and forth a few times, and double tap with two fingers to flip over a stack, double tap on an object to flip. So it's very basic. So for example, here you could play poker, right? So I could deal, and I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, I think I'm doing it backwards. So here's 2 cards, 2 cards, 2 cards, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Now, I don't know how you would play in the sense that, you know, how would you look at your cards without the other people seeing it? So that's kind of an issue. But there are other card games that you could play where you wouldn't mind seeing everybody's cards. Or you could just sort of pass it around and use Scout's Honors not to peek on anybody's cards. So if I double tap there, I've got my cards, I can see them. Oh, actually I didn't do 5. So I got to do another round of 5. There we go. But it is kind of handy. And then you've got chips. You can give out chips to people. So it's not automatic. There's no artificial intelligence. But, you know, maybe if 2 people played poker, you could use it. Now you can reset the table just like that. And then you can switch to other games. And you can also change, let's see, close that. You can change the table to, I guess you have a couple of options for the table. This says poker. This is a different background. So you have basically three different backgrounds. But let's go to the other games. Like, for example, backgammon is you know, basic backgammon board, and you can just move the little chips around when you use the chips for backgammon. You could also use this to demonstrate like moves, and if you want to roll the dice, you just click on the dice, and you know, it's a board game. So instead of carrying a lot of boards around, let's go to the main menu. Here is checkers. So you can, let's see, change the table. I like that table. You basically have, I guess, 2 options. So look, it's very basic. You can move forward. There's no artificial intelligence. Here's another, if you're looking at the video of this, there's chess. So it's just a basic chess board. So it's very handy. I mean, it's only 99 cents, so it's really a handy way to sort of have a whole bunch of board games if you want to play with your family when you're on a trip or even at home. So look, for 99 cents, it's a very well working app. There's not a lot of glitches. It doesn't crash. It's not buggy. It seems to be really just a nice, simple game app that has like multiple games in it. Like I said, it has chess, backgammon, Go, Reversi, cards, checkers, and I think I said chess. So check it out. I think it's very worthwhile.